Hello everyone. In this session, we will download and install the code editor that we are going to use throughout this course. The name of the editor is Brackets. The URL goes like this, brackets.io. So you just type this URL in your browser and this site will open, and depending upon your operating system, either it is Apple OS or Windows, it will show you this download bracket 1.14.2. This is the latest version. So when you click this button, the download will automatically start and it will save the exe MSI file. Okay, Microsoft installer. Since my machine is Windows, it will download the MSI file. So I have already downloaded this file in my machine. So when you download this, it will look like this. So just double click this file and it will start installing the bracket editor. So in case you have the genuine Windows or Windows operating system, it will ask that this bracket is not verified by the Microsoft. It doesn't matter as such. So just install anyway. So it is secure, no issues about that. So it will ask some question. Don't change anything, just press next. Okay, so after pressing the next, it will ask whether to install or not. Just click install and it will take time. So we will come back after the installation gets completed. Okay, so after installing the bracket, what we will do, we will just open the application, and the next step would be installing certain extensions that we will be requiring so that it will help us the coding in a better way. So these extensions which we are going to install are all recommended by the bracket itself. So we are going to install this Emmet extension, Beautify extension, file icons and indent guides. What this extension do and why it is required, just don't bother about it. But definitely you will find this extension helpful because they beautify and help the programmer to represent the code in the better manner. Frequently and most popular extension, and I will demonstrate also how this Emmet is used while we code it. Makes our life easy as a web developer because it enables us to type a lot of code in a very short period of time span, right? So how do we install these extensions in bracket? So for that you just go to the file and click on the extension manager, and the extension manager will open. And now here in the search box, what we have to do, we have to just copy this name and paste, and it will show you certain extension with the same name. But here we just want to install this Emmet, not the reverse Emmet but Emmet. So we will install it. Since my machine I have already installed it, okay, it is saying installed, right? So here it is not needed, but in your case it will say install, so you just click install, it will install. Okay, now after that, the extension that we want to install is Beautify. So similar manner, click on the Beautify and install. So here also I have already installed, so it is saying installed, but in your case it will have this button install. So just click on it and it will install that extension. So similarly, follow along and install this file icon extension as well as indent guide, right? So file icon I will just demonstrate because you may get confused because there are several others also. So here bracket icons, okay, so this extension you have to install. And in case of indent guides, okay, there is only one extension available, so you install. So since I already have this extension available on my machine, it is saying install. Okay, so after you install all these extension, okay, You will see here emmet is also appearing over here. So here just check whether this emmet is enabled or not. Okay, we will require this. Fine. So our editor for programming the web pages is ready to use, and in the next assignment onwards or the next session onwards we will be using this brackets editor, right, for coding our web pages. So mostly I will show you how these folders are created, how the files are created, how it looks in the subsequent sessions. So today we will right now we will stop here. This session is over and we will meet again in the next video for the another concept.